Hey guys, this is Ivan with Lumberjack Flooring, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to cut under or around cabinets. First thing you want to do is buy a Harbor Freight toe kick saw. This is probably the best toe kick saw we've found. It's probably better out there, but we love using this. Basically what the toe kick saw does is cut perfectly flush against your cabinets. It is a bit of an obscure tool. It's kind of hard to find, but if you can find it, this is probably the best tool for the job. From memory, I want to say that this costs about $100. Second most important tool is probably the zip tool or oscillating tool, multi-tool, whatever you want to call it. This thing. You're going to use this for the corners or parts that this saw can't get to. So when you're plunging in the toe kick saw, you need to remember that you have this guard here that's going to be in your way if you try to just set it right there. So when you go in, if you imagine this as the floor under the cupboard and this the floor that you're cutting out, you kind of want to scoop in to get that guard out of the way. And then you're going to run the saw down like this, making sure that you're making as much contact with this guard against that toe kick so you can get as close as you can. One thing I will say about this is that you have to be extremely careful with it. It can very easily kick back at you, and I mean, you probably don't want that going right at your face. Now that we're done using the toe kick saw, we can go ahead and use the zip tool to get all the corners that it couldn't get. Now, of course, once it's all loose, you can go ahead and pry all that plywood, or if you have hardwood, you would use the same exact process. Now that about wraps up how you cut around the base of cabinets. If you wanted to watch any other videos, check out these, and thanks for watching.